Everyone thinks the best-selling air purifier filters are automatically the best ones. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story's actually quite different.
Product number 1, Germ Guardian HEPA filter. Let's kick things off with the Germ Guardian Filter B. This filter caught my eye primarily because of its genuine HEPA certification, which means it captures 99.97% of particles down to 0.1 microns. At just $19.89, it's a solid choice if you want cleaner air at home. If you want to breathe easier and reduce allergens in your space, this is worth a serious look. So why does this filter stand out? First off, it's designed for multiple Germ Guardian models, making it versatile for many households. The activated carbon pre-filter does a great job of trapping odors and larger particles, which is crucial if you've got pets or cook frequently. Users rave about its efficiency. It's backed by thousands of units sold just this past month. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Cleaner air means fewer allergy symptoms and a healthier living space. Now, some users pointed out that it can be a bit tricky to install. Here's the thing though. Once you get the hang of it, it's really not that difficult, and the benefits definitely outweigh that minor hassle. This is perfect for you if you're looking for effective air purification on a budget. Skip this one if you have a larger space and need a more powerful filter. All right, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for homes with pets and heavy cooking odors.
Product number 2, ROEV 4-in-1 Replacement Filter. Next up is the ROEV MK01 and MK06 air filter replacement. Priced at $24.99 for a 2-pack, this filter also piqued my interest due to its unique filtration technology. If you want something that's effective against smoke and dander, this is definitely worth considering. The standout feature here is its advanced reaction filter layer, which doesn't just trap particles, but actually neutralizes harmful substances. This means that not only are you filtering the air, but you're also improving it. Users appreciate how well it prevents clogging, which is a big deal if you have pets. With over 4,000 units sold recently, it's clear that many people are finding success with this filter. However, some people have noted that it's a bit on the thicker side, which could make it harder to fit in some purifiers. Now, again, if you're in a rush, that might be a concern, but for most users, the performance really makes it worth the extra effort. This is perfect for you if you're dealing with strong odors and want a filter that actively works to neutralize air pollutants. Skip this one if you're looking for a slimmer design that fits easily into tighter spaces. Now, if Germ Guardian's installation issues bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach.
Product number 3, Winix 11511 Replacement Filter. The Winix 11511 Replacement Filter is next on my list. This filter is designed to work with several Winix models and goes for a reasonable price. Honestly, it's worth a serious look if you want something that can keep your investment in air purification efficient. This filter captures an impressive 99.99% of airborne allergens down to 0.01 microns. That's incredible for those who suffer from allergies or asthma. It also has a carbon filter to combat VOCs and household odors, making it a full package for improving indoor air quality. With over 3,000 units sold recently, it's clear that this filter is popular for a reason. However, some users mentioned that it needs to be replaced every 12 months, which can feel like a hassle. But here's the thing, if you want top-notch air quality, regular replacements are just part of the deal. This is perfect for you if you're committed to maintaining your air purifier's performance for the long haul. Skip this one if you're looking for something that requires less frequent maintenance. All right, that was a solid choice, but the next one might be even better for those who want a washable pre-filter.
Product number 4, Levoit Vital 100 Filter. The Levoit Vital 100 air purifier filter is our next pick. It's compact, easy to use, and comes with a reasonable price tag. If you want a filter that's designed specifically to maintain peak performance, you should definitely consider this one. This filter features a 3-stage filtration system, which includes a washable pre-filter. This is a game changer because it allows you to extend the life of the main filter, saving you money in the long run. It captures 99.97% of ultrafine particles, making it perfect for homes with pets or those prone to allergies. The HAM verification adds another layer of trust. You know it's been tested for effectiveness. Users have been loving it, with over 2,000 sold in the last month. Now, I'll be real with you. Some users found the setup a bit confusing at first, but once you get past that initial hurdle, it works like a charm. This is perfect for you if you want an effective air purifier that is also cost efficient. Skip this one if you prefer filters that are easier to install without any learning curve. Now, if you're looking for something that's budget-friendly but still effective, let's check out the last product.
To wrap it up, we've covered the Germ Guardian HEPA filter for effective allergen capture, the Arovi for odor neutralization, the Winix for long-term investment, the Levoit for cost efficiency, and the Limon for budget-conscious buyers. Each filter meets different needs, so consider what works best for you and your home.